today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI assistant in Metricool to write social media captions faster and easier. This feature helps you generate captions for your posts using AI, making content creation quicker for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more. Let's get started. Our first step is to open Metricool. Launch your web browser and go to the Metricool website. Log into your account to access your dashboard and social media tools. Once you're inside Metricool, go to the planning section. You'll find this in the left side menu. The planning area is where you create, organize, and schedule your social media posts. Next, click the Create Post button. This opens the post editor where you can prepare your content for publishing. From here, select the social media platform you want to post on, such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, or X. After selecting your platform, upload your image or video. Click the Media Upload area and choose a file from your device. Once uploaded, your content preview will appear inside the post editor. Now it's time to use the AI assistant. Look for the AI writing tool or AI assistant button near the caption area. Click it to open the AI caption generator inside Metricool. Next, enter your topic or prompt. Type a short description about your content. For example, you can type, "Write a motivational Instagram caption for a fitness transformation post." The clearer your prompt is, the better the AI-generated caption will be. After entering your prompt, click the Generate button. Metricool's AI assistant will now create a caption based on your request. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once the AI-generated caption appears, review the text carefully. Read through the caption and make sure it matches your brand, style, or message. You can edit the wording, add personal touches, or adjust the tone if needed. Next, enhance your caption by adding hashtags or emojis. This helps improve engagement and makes your post more visually appealing for social media audiences. After finalizing your caption, set your publishing date and time. Choose when you want the post to go live using Metricool's scheduling options. Finally, click the Schedule button. Your social media post is now ready and automatically scheduled for publishing. You've successfully used the Metricool AI assistant to create and schedule a social media caption. As an optional step, you can also generate multiple caption versions for different platforms. This allows you to customize your content style for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and other social networks while saving even more time.